Okay, to get to the all calendars page, you just go to buffaloseminary.org/all calendars. And you can bookmark that or whatever you do if you need to. The advantage of this one, this looks like just, it looks exactly like the one on the website, but it's not actually connected to the website because it has all of our calendars that we use, and we have calendars. If you look, there's calendars for everything. There's all the separate calendars for events, and then we have a separate calendar for every room in the build, not every room in the building, but any room that's like a common room. So for instance, if you wanted to check to see if anything was going on in the Colby room and because you needed to have an event in there or something, you could look at just the Colby room, and now you can see every time there's an event like a trustee meeting or something that's um, scheduled in the Colby room. So you can look at that before you actually schedule your events. The other great thing about this calendar is that you can transfer, like it's got the faculty calendar on it that's not on the web. That's the main difference that you would want to come here. If you want to take the calendar, like I showed you in the meeting, you can show these calendars on your Google Calendar, so that way you don't have to look back and forth on stuff and the rotation and all that sort of thing. So to do that, you'd go to this button that's got this little RSS feed thing. So calendar feeds, and this shows you all the calendars. So you would pick the one you want, like for instance, the faculty calendar that's not on the other one. You'd come over here, hover over iCal, and you're going to get the Google iCal URL because that's going to go into our Google calendars. If you click there, this gives you a link, and you just copy that link, and then you move over to your own calendar, and next to this other calendars, there'll be a plus sign, and what you do is you go to from, you're adding another calendar from URL, and you just paste it right in there. I'm not going to do it because I already have those in there, but what will happen is if you look at these, like all of these under my calendar, these are all ones you can edit, and that would include things like that freshman exam, freshman junior exams, all those exam calendars you can add things to. But down here, so let me collapse that. Down here under the other calendars, these are the feeds that I have in from the main website, so I can see on my Google Calendar the daily activities, the faculty, morning meetings, and the rotation, which is really kind of great. So you've got all the 8A through whatever days, and it skips. So if you're interested in doing that and you need my help, I'm happy to help you. Um, but just I wanted to make sure you guys all understood how that works.